What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today's trade recap's on the 14th of October 2025. I took two setups. It's gonna be kind of hard to make because one of them was a stop rate and the other was a break even. I ended the day down 0.7%. And yeah, by the way, if you're wondering why we didn't post since Thursday, is because Friday I didn't take anything, so there was literally nothing to show, and market just dumped 700 points downwards. And yesterday on Monday it was a bank holiday, so I took my day off. I don't usually trade bank holidays, and I never trade bank holidays actually. So it was a bank holiday. Took my day off. Enjoyed my long weekend, and we're back today. Back with a loss. Let's fucking go. Anyways, I'll get into the trade recap, but before that, I'll show you the PNL just right here. I lost 1,100 on 15 of my accounts, so that's $17,000 down, and also executions right here. And yeah, anyways, let's get into the recap. So, coming into the day, obviously I was leaning extremely bearish because we had a new weekly opening up that was unfilled, and as you can see, this is our new weekly opening up. Usually how I'd locate new weekly opening ups is by looking at the 15-minute time frame, and then just looking at where we had this new weekly opening up and working it out from body to body. This new weekly opening up was probably caused because of this whole fucking dump that we had on Friday, and then just yesterday, look at this atrocity of price action. Then we got a 500 point dump during previous sessions, so Asia and London yesterday night. So I was kind of coming into the day expecting price action to be very bad, setups to be very low probability, and literally not taking anything, but got actually three very nice setups. I'll talk to you about them right now. So located my new weekly opening up, and this was a drone liquidity, and I don't mind if we tap it. I want to see it get filled. I want to see all of it get filled, just because it's such a good drone liquidity, and we need to fill all of it because all of these are just buy orders from people. So market makers, if they want to go higher, they want to dump the market, go lower, sweep all of that, and then go higher. So my daily bias on the day was bearish until we filled the new weekly opening up. Then I wanted to see us go higher, trade into London highs, and a 4-hour gap that was untapped right here. So this was my bias for the day. I was extremely confident with that, and it worked out. So as you can see, we went lower. I wanted to see us first open higher into London highs and then go lower, but a 200 point move higher than a 300 point move lower was very unlikely to happen. So we got just a straight move down, filled in WOG, and then opened up this 5-minute and this 5-minute gap. So this was a very nice setup. Saw a lot of traders that actually took it, but personally I didn't, just because we dumped 500 points yesterday night, then 300 points at open. How do you want me to be confident enough to say that, okay, I'm gonna press long here, I'm gonna press the buy button, and then just take my setup? Like, I wasn't as confident as anyone can be, especially on this setup, but we got the NWOG fill. There was a 2-minute inverse right here, and we inversed that 2-minute in an amazing way. Target was the first 5-minute, and then break even was on the first 5-minute. Full TP was on the second 5-minute. I'll play the trade out for you right now, but this is a trade that I didn't take. So here's the first one, and as you can see, it got full TP. I forward tested that. It got full TP, and yeah, so this is the first setup. Then we opened up a 15-minute gap. So as soon as we opened up this 15-minute gap, I said to myself that, okay, if we're gonna inverse this 15-minute gap, if we're gonna see price disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish, I'm gonna then switch my bias from bearish to bullish, especially because number one, we filled the new weekly opening up, and number two, we're respecting bullish for value gaps and disrespecting bearish for value gaps, and we're in a market maker buy model. So we swept all of these lows, and we started making our way up through the market maker buy model. Swept and walk, filled and walk actually, and started making our way up. Opened up this 15 minutes. So for me to be in a market maker buy model, what do I need to see? This 15-minute gap inverse and 5-minute gaps, 5-minute fair value gaps hold. So we got that. We got the 15-minute inverse, and then we went straight higher. Nothing here was kind of obvious for me, except this 5-minute that opened up, and this is the 5-minute that I wanted to see us retest it, because I wanted to take continuation longs. And as you all know, for us to be able to take continuation longs, what do we need to see? A rebalance into a higher time frame gap, and then target the drone liquidity. So I got that, and then we got this amazing move back down to the 5-minute. I think not this. Oh yeah, this one. And from here, I took my 2-minute inverse. I'll show you right now. It was a 2-minute inversion, just right here. It was very, very clean. I took the trade not on this candle, the candle right after. Yeah, exactly right here. I set my limit to the lows. Stop was at the body, and this is very important because all of my trades are stop at the body. Break even was at this high. and full TP was at London Highs. We got break even traded, if you want, we can say so. And then we came, by the way, we came so close to taking TP, like 6 point close. But very unfortunate, we got stop rated right here, got BE rated right here. And then why we got BE rated was because we were opening up this 15-minute fair value gap. As soon as we opened this 15-minute fair value gap, I was very confident in us tapping it and then us rejecting that 15-minute fair value gap, and we did that perfectly. We tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap and got SMT at the lows, as you can see right here. So this is the SMT. This is the 15-minute. Look at ES. I'll draw it out on ES right here. I don't know if you can see it, but let's make it clear. SMT was exactly right here. A very nice push / rejection from that 15-minute gap, and we had this 1-minute fair value gap right here. And usually I like to take these 1-minute fair value gaps because this is the 1-minute fair value gap that rejected liquidity, that swept liquidity. So we rejected off of it after making that 1-minute fair value gap. So I said to myself, if we inverse this 1 minute, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna fade this 1 minute. I'm gonna fade all the 1-minute gaps or whatever the fuck 2-minute or 30-second gaps that we have. This is the 1 minute that I'm focused on, and this is the 1 minute that I'm gonna be taking. So we inversed that 1 minute. I took my entry exactly right here, and my stop was at the body. And for me, okay, I said to myself, okay, there's an amazing V-shape recovery, amazing whatever the fuck you want to say, inversion, no bearish candles as soon as we inverse, just straight inversion, telling us that okay, we're probably gonna go to the drawn liquidity, we're probably gonna sweep London Highs. And this for me was like the to go into the setup. And then I wasn't even thinking about my stop loss because, bro, just look at this. Stop was at 107 ticks, so that's $1,070 risk. And then the other one was literally 3. There was a 4-point difference between the stop at the body and the stop at the wick. And look at what this bitch did. Literally 1 minute in, got stop rated, and then just look at this. My break even was here, by the way, at this 1 minute intermediate high, and my full TP was at London Highs. And then just look. Nothing I can say, nothing I can do. 9 out of 10 of every single trade that I take, or if you want, 90% of my trades are all fucking stops at the body. The only time where I decide, the only time where I put stop at the body and I actually like love the setup and it's so A plus and everything was like so aligned, we get stop rated, but it's fine. I lost 0.7% on this, $1,070, and then here minus 60, so that's 1,100 down on the day. I'm very happy with the loss. It's fine. Something I learned. We're traders, so obviously we make, and we're humans, so we obviously make mistakes. I wouldn't say this was a mistake. It was just pure luck today. Trading isn't about luck, by the way, but just this case was pure luck because we get such a nice move higher. And then why do we need to go down? What's there to go to? But it's fine. Just next time I learned that, okay, when we're in a range like this, what I want to be doing is going stop at the bodies, at the wick, especially when we have SMT. Today was a different case. I didn't see it that way. I was very confident in the highs, and I was like, there's no way like this is gonna happen. So just put my stop here, got stop rated, then went to my full TP. I could have re-entered off of that 30-second fair value gap that was right here, but I didn't like the re-entry. I don't want to be over-risking, taking 3 setups on the day, over-risking, then coming here and saying, okay guys, I over-risked, so let's say I fucking lost this. I lost the setup, whatever, so I don't want to be doing this. But anyways, here's the setup for you guys. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, and if you like the video and learned something, leave a like. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully tomorrow's a TP, and as usual, bang shabib.